Every year, millions of birds migrate across entire continents. Some travel thousands of kilometers through storms, oceans, darkness, and shifting weather patterns, yet somehow still arrive at the exact same destination. And scientists discovered something terrifyingly strange. These birds may be navigating using quantum mechanics. Yes, the same bizarre physics that governs subatomic particles might exist inside living creatures. This is the story of avian quantum compass, and it sounds like science fiction. For decades, scientists struggled to explain bird migration because birds don't just use landmarks or the sun. Experiments showed that many species could still navigate on cloudy days, at night, and even when visually disoriented. Something else was guiding them. Eventually, researchers realized birds may be detecting Earth's magnetic field itself. But here's the problem: Earth's magnetic field is incredibly weak, far too weak for ordinary biological sensors. So, how could a tiny bird possibly detect it? The answer may lie inside its eyes. Scientists believe certain birds contain special proteins called cryptochromosomes. These proteins exist in the retina, and when the blue light hits them, something bizarre happens. Electrons inside the molecule become quantum entangled. Now, if that phrase sounds insane, that's because it is. Quantum entanglement means two particles become linked in such a way that changing one instantly affects the other's quantum state. Normally, this behavior is incredibly fragile. Physicists usually observe it only in highly controlled laboratories, near absolute zero temperatures, inside advanced quantum experiments. But birds may be doing this naturally inside their own bodies, at room temperature, while flying through rainstorms. Here's how scientists think it works. When light activates cryptochrome molecules, a pair of entangled electron forms. These electrons are extremely sensitive to magnetic fields. As Earth's magnetic field changes direction relative to the bird's head, the quantum behavior of the electron changes too. That alters tiny chemical reactions inside the retina, meaning the bird may literally see magnetic information, not as arrows or GPS coordinates, but possibly as faint patterns, shadows, or glowing overlays in its vision. Imagine looking at the sky and seeing invisible magnetic lines painted across reality itself. That's the avian quantum compass. And the evidence is becoming difficult to ignore. In experiments, scientists exposed migratory birds to radio frequency noise, weak electromagnetic interference. Shockingly, the birds became disoriented. Their navigation failed. Why? Because quantum states are fragile. The interference may have disrupted the entangled electrons inside cryptochrome molecules, essentially scrambling the bird's internal compass. Even stranger, some birds only navigate properly using specific wavelengths of light, especially blue green light, exactly the wavelengths associated with cryptochrome activation. This discovery helped create an entirely new scientific field: quantum biology. The idea that living organisms may exploit quantum effects for survival. And birds are not the only suspects. Plants may use quantum coherence during photosynthesis, and even our sense of smell could involve quantum vibrations. Life itself may be stranger than we imagined. But the avian compass remains one of the most mind bending examples because it suggests evolution somehow discovered quantum mechanics long before humans did. Birds may have been using entanglement for millions of years, while humans only recently learned the math behind it. Think about that. A migrating bird crossing an ocean at night may be relying on the same physics used in quantum computers. And perhaps the most unsettling part is this: we still don't fully understand how it works. Scientists continue debating the exact mechanisms. The chemistry is extraordinarily complex, but experiment after experiment points towards the same conclusion. Somewhere inside the eye of a bird, quantum mechanics may be helping it navigate the earth.